and you want some dolls for your children, then I want you to come over there, located right in the MTN Center, and you will be able to find them, and they have the dolls and the hair care products. Hello you guys, and welcome back. I'm here at Melanation today, and we're gonna talk everything hair care and doll babies. Let's go. Okay, so I'm here with Melissa. Hey,
how you doing?
I'm super fantastic. Listen, she is here all the way from North Carolina, USA, here in Kigali, Rwanda, with Melanation, and we're gonna talk about what inspired you guys to pack up, leave America, and come to Kigali.
Well, we have been looking into Africa we've been talking about, or researching Africa for 5 years. And my father just finally decided we're gonna go. We packed up everything. We chose Rwanda because based off our research, we find it to be safe. It was easy to start up a business, and that is true. And so far we love it. We love Rwanda, we love Kigali, and where we live is very convenient. There are many stores around us, so it's not too far from home. Yes.
A doll is a figure of a human being, used most often as children's toy. There are documents that prove that dolls were used in ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome. They were made from materials that were available like clay, stone, wood, bone, ivory, leather, or wax. Truly, we have come a long way when it comes to dolls. In 1947, the first African-American woman cartoonist, Jackie Orms, created the Patty Jo doll, which was based on Patty Jo Ginger, the cartoon panel she penned for newspapers at that time. In 1980, the first black Barbie was created.
Okay, so here at Melanation, they have a variety of doll babies, which I absolutely love. Look at this one, look at this bush. This is absolutely amazing. So if you have little girls and you're looking for dolls here in Kigali, then you want to come over to Melanation and you can ask for Melissa, and she is going to serve you with the best customer service here. So tell me, how did you guys come up with this whole concept of all of these baby dolls?
Yes, well, my father's idea was the doll test. That was like the inspiration. I don't know if many of you are familiar with the doll test, where children are presented with white or brown dolls. And many had a lot to say about the brown dolls, and it wasn't too positive. And once we came here, we noticed when you go to certain markets, you didn't see brown dolls, you saw white dolls. And we wanted to bring a positive representation to the little children here, so we want to provide brown dolls. Yeah.
And they have plenty of brown dolls. Let's look at this one over here. She is so snazzy. As you guys know, I love African fashion. Look at her. Baby, I'm telling you, she is snazzy, isn't she? She's all dolled up. And I think that, you know, everything is Barbie. The Barbie movie is out. But look here. They have brown Barbie. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And look at this. This is the queen.
Yes.
Explain.
Now this is my mother's personal doll. She just brought it here to showcase what we can do with other dolls. You can change the hair, you can make clothes for her, change up the style. So yes.
I am a very big reader, and so also they have books here. Dream big, little one. So if you enjoy reading to your children, come and check out their book collection as well. They have some really, really interesting books here. Look at this furniture, the bed, the sofa. Like the whole family is chilling. Even the lamp, this is the cutest. So, the lamp, oh, and it actually works. Oh my goodness, I love that. I love toys that really work. So listen, bring your little girls here and show them what a doll looks like in their complexion, in their color. We love all dolls, but it's very important that your children identify with who they are and what they look like. And so Melanation has done a great job with that, with bringing us a variety of dolls, both male and female. Both male and female. They have some guys here. They have DC, they have Frozen, they have a variety here. So if you are into dolls or you want that experience with your children, then I want you to come to Melanation here in Kigali.
Growth oil.
Okay.
It's like just a growth oil to make your hair grow, stimulate.
Okay.
And this is a hot oil treatment that can be used as a leave-in or rinse out.
Okay.
And it was created to be for a rinse out.
Okay.
And both of these were made by my mother here in Kigali.
Okay.
Yes. And we also have the special, if people come to buy our products, if they return the bottles, they get 3,000 bonded francs off.
Oh.
So not only do they have dolls, but they also have hair care products. And I want to talk a little bit about that because these are made natural from the natural herbs here in Africa. One of the wonderful things about Africa is that it's full of natural herbs. I mean, Africa has everything, not only the gold, the diamonds, the rubies, and all the minerals and oil, but they also have herbs that you can make for your hair. So let's talk a little bit about this hair care.
So right here we have, the hot oil treatments. It is called Good Things Herbal Hot Oil Treatment. You can use it as a rinse out, like a traditional hot oil treatment, or you can use it as a leave-in. And this one is our rosemary and peppermint growth oil treatment. You apply it in your hair and massage, and it stimulates your hair to grow. Now, we do also have a special on our products. If any of our customers choose to buy these products and they return the bottles, they can get 3,000 Rwandan francs off the next purchase.
Wow, so you don't want to miss that. They're running a special right now. So ladies, if you need your hair to grow, yes, and it's natural. So I love natural hair care products, and they are making them here. Her mom is making them here with her hands. I want you to come in here and try something out. Put it in, let your scalp get stimulated with the natural care that they have here at Melanation. So you guys came here from North Carolina. What would be your advice for someone who wants to leave the familiar and come to a brand new place and start over? What would you tell them?
Well, I would suggest get all your research. If you can make a visit first, do that. Visit and do your research. And also, if you feel brave enough, you can just come here and just live like we did. We have a YouTube channel called Ditching Babylon. And you can see our journey from leaving home to coming here. But my main advice is for you to make sure you do your research before coming here. Also, if you can, just visit.
Yeah, visiting is definitely good. A lot of people are going to Ghana, South Africa, but for me, Kigali is the #1 place for me, in my opinion, because they have stable lights. The economy is good. It's very easy to start a business. The roads are amazing. You could drive for 2 or 3 hours. You won't see even one pothole. And the #1 thing is that it's very, very clean. Did you notice that? And that's what I love. Even they shut down the streets for a day or so for everyone to come out and clean as a community. And that is a plus for me. So as an entrepreneur, and I'm an entrepreneur as well, and so a lot of entrepreneurs are risky, but then you have some entrepreneurs that are like on the fence.
Yes.
So what would you tell the entrepreneur that wants to leave their country, move into an unfamiliar place, and start a business? What's your encouragement for them?
My encouragement for you is be flexible. Learn to be flexible. And you might come here with an idea, you have your heart set on one place, but learning to see the need here and supply it, and to be able to supply that need, you're going to be able to find your way here. Persevere, don't get discouraged, find people who have been there, done that, and get advice from them.
That's great. So thanks you guys for watching me here at Melanation. And when you are in Kigali and you want some dolls for your children, then I want you to come over there, located right in the MTN Center. and you will be able to find them, and they have the dolls and the hair care products just for you. I would like for you to like and subscribe this, as you would help our channel to grow, and you get to see exactly what we're doing around the world. We'll see you next time.